Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we'll be making raspberry oat muffins. Now this dish is inspired by Mom. She always used to make these upon our return from school. It was a quick, easy snack for us to have before dinner. The recipe and the links to the products you see me using here will be in the description below. Remember, join our Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans. Please subscribe to the Little House of Beans. Smooshy that like button, hit that notification bell. Remember, if you want to keep seeing these great, delicious videos, subscribe to the Little House of Beans. We also have a cookbook, Outdoor Cooking with Edie, available on Amazon and as an ebook. I am super eager to make these raspberry oat muffins. Come, let's cook. Bring us back to my childhood. This mixture needs to sit overnight in the fridge, and then we can start our muffins tomorrow. I wish you guys could smell this. It smells so delicious. That spice, one of Stu's favorite, what is it called, Stu?
Cardamom.
Is just such a wonderful fragrance.
And why does this need to sit overnight?
To soak up, so all these, so the liquid could soak up into the oats. And that's it. So we will put a cover on it and refrigerate it overnight. Now this has been sitting overnight in the fridge and it is ready to scoop and make our muffins. Mom's recipe makes 8 little muffins. We have 6 in our Omnia baking dish. And as soon as these are ready, I could pop another 2 in to bake. Now I suppose you could put the raspberries in the oat mixture after it's been sitting overnight, but I remember Mom always just putting them on top of the muffins